Are you experiencing trouble with your vehicle? Is it time for repairs? Or maybe just time for a checkup? We would love to help you.
Fix now, pay later. We offer flexible financing options like 100 days no interest. Even if you have no credit, bad credit, or if you've had a bankruptcy, we can help.
When it comes to vehicle care, you need an expert who'll be able to assist you quickly and get the job done right the first time. Don't trust this job to just anyone. We are the top auto repair service in the area and will handle all of your needs in a quick and professional manner.
And remember, the longer you wait, the worse it can get. Don't delay any further. Contact us today. We look forward to hearing from you.